In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to format data in Power BI. We will format data in the table mode. If you have not already, click on the table mode. Select the column of the data you would like to format. Here, I will select the variable cost column. Click on the Modeling tab. Click on Format and then Currency. Select the $English United States format type. Verify that the decimals are set correctly. In my data, the decimals are showing as 0, which is correct for the format I would like to use. If it was not, you would increase or decrease the number of decimals using the arrows. That's it, we're done. This video was created and narrated by Tracy Miller Nobles and is part of the Power BI Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.